हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आज एक नई वीडियो में एंड आज हमारे साथ है मिस अंशिका कारा। सो वेलकम अंशिका टू द चैनल। एंड शी जस्ट गॉट अ वीजा फॉर द यूके। शी इज गोइंग टू द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ न्यूकासल फॉर मास्टर्स इन HCI। एंड पहली बात बहुत बहुत बधाई हो।
थैंक यू सो मच।
जो मैं शायद पहले भूल गया था बोलना। एक बार वीजा दिखा दो यार कैमरे को।
Okay. Hi, so this is my visa.
सो अंशिका, हाउ इज द फीलिंग?
It's great. I'm actually feeling really nervous. I'm also feeling really excited. Excited in the sense, obviously we got it, but nervous in the sense now we have to go there, manage our own lives there, and you know it's a new place. So
भांडे
obviously
बर्तन खुद ही करने पड़ेंगे सारे।
भांडे बर्तन करने आते हैं।
ठीक है, बट हाँ थोड़ा एक वो रहता ही है, थोड़ा नर्वस। नया प्लेस, नया सिटी, एक नया कोर्स, पूरा पढ़ाई फिर
How
से।
will you manage things there, and you know everything else. So yeah, nervous about
ठीक है,
it.
चलो। एंड एक चीज़ बताओ, आपको हमारा रेफरेंस लाइक कैसे मिला कि यार चलो FDOC के पास चलते हैं अपना एजुकेशन का करने के लिए?
I actually got here through a friend of mine.
ओके
She had come here to go to Leeds,
ओके
and then she told me about you. And actually, coincidentally, I had come to your father इससे पहले
अच्छा
in 2019 for my visa to Singapore. It was a
अच्छा।
tourist visa. So when she told me about you and I tried to Google you, so I saw the name, I saw the company, and I thought that I know you guys from earlier already. So
ठीक
yeah, then I decided that I'll come here only.
ग्रेट। तो ट्रस्ट फैक्टर बन गया हो?
Trust factor, obviously, there was.
ठीक है। एंड व्हेन यू केम विद फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर द काउंसलिंग एंड ऑल, उसके बाद से अभी तक का जो जर्नी रहा है वो कैसा रहा है?
I remember I'd come to you earlier, and then I had to defer the entire process due to some issues. And then when we deferred the entire process, I remember coming to your office for the first time, and you know, I had come very overwhelmed because there was ample of information on the internet, and how much can you sort it out? But then you made it easier, you know, by step process, and then you helped through everything. One thing I really liked about FDOCs is that it's very easy to navigate the entire process because everybody is back on call. Like I can reach you through call, I can reach everybody else through call, and you know everybody is really approachable. So it made the process really easier for me.
I say thank you. and your process was being taken care by Rashmi.
Firstly by Rashmi, then by Nishtha.
And then by Nishtha. And ultimately I was there.
Ultimate you.
Yeah, I was there all the time. So great. Any feedback or anything that you like to give?
No, the entire process was pretty smooth, pretty clear, and what I like was my doubts were cleared very instantly because it is honestly a very overwhelming process. So everything was cleared pretty instantly. So I really liked my experience.
Every time that you called, it was picked up and answered.
Yeah,
and
it was picked up and
that
answered.
That is our USP. I should tell you. ठीक है.
It was picked up and answered, and even if not at the same time, it was answered within reasonable hours. So you know, it made the process very easy and navigation pretty easy.
So thank you for the feedback and the wonderful words, and thank you guys for watching this video. But first, I'll say all the very best.
Thank you
Do
so
good,
much.
do well, make yourself proud, make your family proud.
Yeah.
And now, thank you guys for watching this video. My name is Rishabh. We are FDOCs located in Rajendra Nagar, Dehradun. So if you have some plans of studying abroad, be it for bachelors, be it for masters, be it UK, Ireland, Europe, Canada, UK, तो हो गया, USA, Australia, New Zealand, anyway, we are here to help you. And these days, UAE is a very nice option for studies. So if you're planning for there, you can reach out to us. We'll help you from the counseling part, to admissions, to scholarships, to accommodations, to flights and everything. And one more thing.
And all of that is true.
Yes, and we do that. And again, it's a free service. We don't charge anything for it. Plus, on top of it, we also help you in one more thing that I'll be adding you as well. We have our, a UK students group where all the students who we have helped since the last 8-9 years for education, they're all in that group. So we add you in that group so that if you have any doubts or if you want some help, so students who are there who are already studying, maybe passed out, maybe working, so they can be in, so you can be in touch with them and can get your queries solved. So thank you. Done.